Pendock has been synonymous with quality and service excellence for over 25 years. As with so many iconic products, these ubiquitous profiles have even become a verb. When architects and contractors want to hide exposed pipes and services, they simply Pendock them. The Pendock range is manufactured at its Telford factory in Shropshire by Alumask Interior Building Products, a division of the Alumask Group. So what are Pendock's profiles? What ensures their consistent quality? And how are their unique shapes achieved? This video gives you a chance to see behind the marketing, customer services and brochures directly into the factory floor. Many people believe that Pendock simply post-forms standard plywood, but this could not be further from the truth. Two factors prevent post-forming: the time needed and the latent wood memory. The solution is preforming. This is the process of shaping the plywood as it's being made. A simple phrase and a standard process used in making plywood chairs, but incredibly difficult to achieve over 3-meter lengths. In fact, it's so difficult that it can only be done using a delicate mix of hardwood veneers. But again, not any hardwood. Only 3 or 4 species in the world have the necessary complementary balance of strength, density and flexibility, but we were delighted to have become Forest Stewardship Council, or as it's more commonly known, FSC, accredited in May 2009. In addition to the veneers, a very special paper is added to the surface of the profiles. This is made up of recycled paper impregnated with an impact and scratch-resistant paint. This gives the profiles their visual and hard-wearing properties. Manufacturing Resource Planning, or MRP, is used to minimize waste and improve production efficiency. This system determines the best veneer utilization and generates cutting requirements. All the million square meters of veneers used a year get their first detailed inspection as they're being cut to size. Pendock service levels are legendary, with 80% of production and all standard products usually available on a next-day dispatch. This carries a high cost for the company though, with high stocks of raw veneers, cut veneers, special paper, raw profiles and finished profiles, all necessary to meet the vagaries of demand. The cut veneers, resin and special paper all come together in the manufacturing plant for the first time in the bonding process. Every veneer is checked again as it passes through a glue spreader. A simple split in a veneer could telegraph all the way through to the surface and give an inconsistent finish. Once in the presses, the unique species mix comes into its own. The layers of veneers can be seen bending well past the point that most would split. Heat and pressure are then applied to activate the glue and create a new memory for the preformed plywood profile. At all times, we're aware that we're dealing with wood, a living material. Its strengths cannot be overstated. It's easy to work with on site, sustainable, and looks stunning. The profiles are now sorted for end cutting and trimming. Two pro saws from the metal industry are used to end cut profiles to very tight tolerances. Each side is then trimmed and the profiles head for the warehouse. Standard profiles reduce labor time by over 70% when compared with site boxing pipes. These savings rise even further when internal and external corners are needed. Pre-made corners simplify the job and give an outstanding finish. And there you have it. Next time you're Pendocking those pipes, services and columns, spare a thought for the journey that simple profile has been on to get to you.